How to start downloading apps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store on your iPhone. Once inside, tap on the search icon in the bottom right corner. Use the search bar and type in the name of the app you're looking for. From the search results, scroll to find your desired app and tap on it to view its details page. On the apps page, tap the Get button to begin the download process. You may be prompted to confirm the installation. Double-click the side button as instructed. Once confirmed, the app will start downloading and installing on your device. The download will begin, and you can monitor its progress with the circular icon. You can now go back to your home screen to find and launch the newly installed application. Following these steps, you can easily install apps on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.